Hey, what's up everybody? Aaron here in my studio workshop, my little apartment on a beautiful Tuesday afternoon, and I just thought I'd make a short video to share some information with you guys. If you are a new DJI Mavic Air owner, then you gotta watch this video because you are in the same boat that I was in about 2 months ago, and I was literally pulling out my hair. So here is my DJI Mavic Air. This is the Arctic White model. I gotta say, I really love this drone. I love the things it can do. I love all the features. I love how thorough DJI was in not only designing the drone, but just everything about all the accessories and the packaging. They did a really thorough job with this product. Now, when I first got this drone and was doing the unboxing, everything was going great. It looked like I was not gonna have a single problem or questions. But then as I started reading through the instructions, I realized that there are a couple missing pieces of information. And both of them actually don't even relate to the drone, but they relate to the controller itself. So this is the controller the way it comes in the box. To actually use it, you have to unfold these arms, undo the antenna, and then plug in or screw in the joysticks. And so once you have this done, what you also have to do to connect the controller with the drone is to install the DJI Go app on your phone. Once you have the app installed, then what you'll need to do is you'll need to physically connect the phone with the controller. Now, in the instruction manual and in the contents, it said that the DJI Mavic Air combo came with 3 connectors, but I only counted 2. There is a micro B to a micro A and a micro A to a USB-C. Now, since I'm using an iPhone 7 Plus, these are of no use to me. So I was actually pretty close to contacting DJI and just letting them know that I was missing cable. And then I started looking and found that the lightning cable for the iPhones is actually already pre-installed. DJI must have figured that most of their users will be Apple users, so they probably just went ahead and pre-installed it for you. And so that was actually my first problem that just resolved on its own upon further inspection. But just wanted to let you guys out there know. The second issue I was having was related to actually charging this controller. And so I had the batteries for the drone itself charging, and I was trying to charge this thing up. Now, on the controller, there are 2 USB ports. There's a USB port on the bottom, and where the cable plugs into, there is a USB micro port on the side. Now, the cable that this controller comes with is a USB to a USB micro B plug, which doesn't really help me in either instance because this is a micro A to a micro B. And so I thought this was not the correct cable. And so I tried everything trying to figure it out. And then eventually I just found that this micro B will fit into the micro A, you just have to plug it in correctly. So best rule of thumb is to just have the DJI logo facing towards you and the flat side of the plug down. And so then, there you go, click, it's in. And then all you gotta do is plug that into the AC adapter, and she's charging and you're good to go. So I hope that this short video and these 2 key pieces of information will help you get connected to your controller quicker and flying your drone even quicker also. So I hope again that this video helps. If anybody has any further questions, feel free to leave them below. If this video helped you out, hit the like button, and hope to see you again. Thanks.